Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is importance of macroeconomics. Okay, this importance of macroeconomics is the last topic, last concept of the first chapter, introduction to micro and macroeconomics. Okay, actually this topic was not there in last year 12th standard. It is newly introduced. Now first point is functioning of economic. Okay, what does mean functioning of economic? You know the meaning of the word function. Okay, how we are functioning, how our inner system is functioning, how our heart is functioning. Okay, he is functioning, how heart is functioning, how liver is functioning, how kidney is functioning. If one of them, if it will stop, so what happened? Then the disease occurs in the body of the human being. Similarly, this macroeconomics function, how it functions, macroeconomic analysis gives an idea of the functioning of an economic system. Through the microeconomic study, we come to know the economic system, how the economic is functioning. Okay, it helps us to understand the behavior of pattern of aggregate variables in the large and the complex economic system. Here we come to know the how the economic is working, how they are doing, and in the aggregate we comes to know about the demand, about the supply, and all other variables from the macroeconomic. Then that's mean we come to know total, what is the total demand, what is the total supply of the nation. Okay, what from the macroeconomic we come to know. After studying this, we can how we get an idea about the economic system, how they are functioning. Next point is economic fluctuation. Now fluctuation means देखो, macroeconomics helps to analyze the causes of fluctuation in income, output, and employment, and make us attempt to control them or reduce their severity. Economic fluctuation, see, fluctuation means up and down. Okay, there is many things means in our life also there is some up and down, so we have to face that, where there is a problem. Okay, sometimes there is happiness, there are sometimes we feel sad, so these are up and down, fluctuating situation is coming in our life. So similarly there will be the fluctuation in income, in output means the production. Okay, then employment, there is somewhere now we can face the unemployment, all these things. Now the if you the for the current situation, example from the current situation if we take, so there are many people who are were unemployed just because of lockdown. So there is a situation we have to face to economic. This macroeconomic study help us to understand the fluctuation in various stream like income, output, employment. Okay, and after studying, it gives this solution to that problems. Okay, okay, now what should we do to reduce this severity? Reduces their severity means there is problem, their problem, illness, anything we can say. So here from the microeconomic we come to know the fluctuation in this pro income, output, and employment, and side by side we get the solution too. The national income, now we have come to know about the from the scope that it is the income theory. Okay, so income not for the particular consumer, particular producer. Okay, but it is the nation income, whole India's income we calculating in macroeconomic study. Okay, the study of macroeconomics has brought forward the immense importance of the study of national income and social accounts. Without a study of national income, it is not possible to formulate correct economic policies. Okay, so through the when we are focusing on whole economy, when we are focusing on whole nation, so we have to calculate the income of nation also. Okay, so this national income will be your chapter. For you will be there will be coming a new one chapter, that is national income. So in that you can detail, you can study in detail how the national income has been calculated. So here you can understand, but this is a national income ki through macroeconomic we calculate the national income. Okay. Economic development, and now economic development you already know about it. Economic development, I already explained you economic growth and the economic development, what are the difference between them. Okay, so advanced studies in macroeconomic help to understand the problem of developing countries, such as poverty, inequalities of income and wealth, differences in the standard of living of the people, etc. Okay, so for the economic development we don't want only to increase the income, but with the help, with the increasing income we have to improve others factors also. That means poverty, then inequalities. See, poverty though we can improve it with the help of the money, but how can we improve it? Inequalities, now you can see the, now no, now you can't see that the few in ancient time the Indians they're having inequalities between caste and all. Still there we have to face it. So these are all the uh, drawbacks for the economic development. There should be equalities, okay, between the equalities of income also. We are, I already explained you that the in India the wealth is unfairly distributed among the people. Okay, so when the standard of living will be improved, so automatically we can develop the economic. Okay, so see, this came from the macroeconomic study. Kids give the solution to it also. Then performance of economy, performance of economy. Now performance of economic, the national income estimate are used to measure the performance of an economy over time by comparing the production of goods and services in one period with that of the other period. Okay, here actually see, when we are calculating national income na, to we are calculating for the whole year. We are not calculating 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. In accounting, what you are doing when you are making final account, so when we are solving final account, the amount and the transaction was for 1 year. Total the transaction where when you are calculating or when you are solving, the transaction is of 1 year, not of the 1 month. Okay, so similarly when the national income we are calculating, so we are considering 1 month. So whatever the goods and services produced in India, okay, what is the income came into India with the within the 1 year, that is the calculation take place. Okay, then the study of macroeconomic variable. Now, macroeconomic you know, and the variable. So the variable of the macroeconomic is the total income, total output, total employment. Okay, these are all the economic macroeconomic variables. So main economic problem are related to the economic variables such as behavior of total input, total income, employment, and general price level in the economies. Okay, so these all are the total thing, employment or total output. This all are the study which we have to study in the macroeconomic. Okay, level of employment. Level of employment means macroeconomics help to analyze the general level of the employment and output in an economy. Okay, so basically macroeconomics is focusing on the general level of employment and the output, exactly this. Okay, now here we completed our first chapter, that is introduction to micro and macroeconomic. Okay, thank you students.